Today we are going to solve the problems related to mixture problems, and we have a list of questions. There are 3 questions that we are going to solve together. The first question is, in the shop there are 60 kg of mixed beans. A kilogram costs 650 francs. If the first type is sold at 700 francs and another at 600 francs, what is the weight of each type? That is the first question. Second question is, Mugabe mixed 120 kg of rice. He sells at 1,600 francs per kilogram. The first type is sold at 2,100 francs, while the second is sold at 1,201 francs. Find the quantity of each type. That is the second. The third question must be done with someone who is following this video, because I have to mention that you have understand what I'm going to teach you. Mutabas mixed 2 types of sugar and formed 50 kg, which he sold at 1,201 francs per kilogram. If he sold the first type at 1,301 francs per kilogram and the second type at 1,100 per kilogram, find the kilogram of each type. So let us enjoy and start. So in solving the problem, we must show the requirements or the given data. Here we have been given 60 kg of mixed beans. Here we have to rate X, B first type, and YB second type. Why choose X to be first type? Because first type is unknown. We don't know the first type. And we choose Y because we don't know the second type. And X and Y, the first type and the second type, they are different. That's why we use this X and Y. So let us try to include in the question we have been given. Now here we have in shop there are 60 kg of mixed beans. Let us take that we have mixed first type with second type. So we have made this one, X plus Y is equal to 60. If X plus Y is equal to 60, this is mixed. This one is mixed, a mixed type. To mean that here we have, and its cost is equal to 1 kilogram of this mixed is cost per 650 for each kilogram. And we have first type X cost 700 francs, and this one is equal to francs. And Y, this is the second type, cost 600 francs. So we have been asked to find the weight of each type. That is the first. Now here we have formula that must be used, which is, if you have first type times its cost per kilogram, then plus second type times its cost per kilogram, mixture of X plus Y, this is the mixture of first type and second type, times its cost per kilogram. let us try to take this number and try to include it in the given formula here. We have the first type times z, its cost is equal to 700, then plus second type times 600 is equal to mixture, and here mixture is equal to 60. Take 60 times its cost per kilogram is equal to 650. Now here we will have 700x plus 600y, which is equal to, now here we are supposed to multiply. Here take 65 times 6, and here we have 2 0 away, 0 3. 6 times 6 is equal to 36, plus this one is equal to 39, and add 2 0. Here we'll have 39,000. Now, have to remember that here we have another formula, which is x plus y, which is equal to 60. Now let us solve it simultaneously. We have 700 x plus 600 y, which is equal to 39,000, and here we have x plus y, which is equal to 60. Here we have we didn't include these francs, and here we don't include kilograms. We have here just for looking the same. Now let us try to use one of the formula used in simultaneous equation. Let us multiply 700 here. Here we will get 700x plus 600y, which is equal to 39. And here we have 700x plus 700y, which will be equal to 42,000. Now this one will be equal to, will be removed, and 600. So here 600y minus 700y will be equal to minus 100y, which is equal to, here we have 39,000 minus 42 will be equal to 3,000. Now which is minus here, let us divide minus 100 and minus 100. Here we have, this one will be cancelled and this one will be cancelled to get 30. And here must be kilogram because the first type is a kilogram. And we have formula, which is x plus y is equal to 60. Now let us press this value of y. X plus 30 will be equal to 60, and x will be equal to 60 minus 30. X will be equal to 30. To mean that first type is equal to 30 and second type will be equal to 30 again, 30 kilogram. And to mean that all total mixture we have x plus 60 plus y, sorry, is equal to 60, to mean that x is equal to 30 plus y is equal to 30, and it will be equal to 60. That is the amount we have. Now the second question is Mugabe mixed this one. Now let us try to write the given data. Now let us say that let x be first type and y be second type. to mean that here Mugabe mixed this one to mean, and we don't know those types. The first type we don't know. Both first type and second type that are known. So that's why we include x and y. These variables replace these types. Now, x plus y is equal to 120. To mean the mixture of this one, this type is equal to 120. Now, their cost is 1,600 Rwandan francs per kilogram. Yes, this is per kilogram. And the first type, X, cost per kilogram is equal to 2,000 Rwandan francs. While the second is equal to Y, cost per kilogram is equal to 1,200 Rwandan francs. Now, find the quantity of each type. Now, let us try to write the formula here. Formula we have, as has been mentioned there above, we have x times its cost per kilogram times y times cost per kilogram will be equal to the mixture, to mean x plus y times the cost per kilogram. Now here we have x times its cost is equal to 2,000 plus here we have plus y times its cost is equal to 1,200, which is equal to mixture is equal to 120 times its cost, and its cost is equal to 1,600. Now here we have 2,000 x plus 1,200 y, which is equal to, now let us take here 16 times 12 is equal to 2 times 6 is equal to 12, right? 2 1, this one is equal to 2 3, to mean we have 32 6 1 2 9 1 0, and add, to mean this one you have 192,000, and you have to remember that x plus y is equal to 60. Now here we have 2,000 x plus 1,200 y, which is equal to 100,000 192,000, sorry, 192,000. And here I have x plus y, which is equal to 60, multiply by 2,000 to get 2,000 x plus 1,200 y, which is equal to 192,000, and here we have 2,200 y, which is equal to 192,000, and here we have 2,000 x plus this one is equal to 2,000 y, which is equal to sorry, here we have 120 200 40. This will be cancelled. Then here we have 2,000 minus 1,200 y minus 2000 y will be equal to minus 800 y, which is equal to, now here we have will be equal to, here we have 1 to get 10 minus 8 is equal to 8, and here we have 1 to get 13 minus 9 is equal to 4 to get 48. Sorry, here we have 800 y, which is equal to 48,000. So which is negative because this one is smaller than this. Now minus 800 minus 800 this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. Y will be equal to 60. Have to remember that x plus y is equal to 120 and x will be equal to 120 minus the value of y is equal to 60, x will be equal to 60. And you know that if you take 60 plus 60 is equal to 120. So now this is your exercise. Now if you follow this video